I'm Sansa Stark of Winterfell.
I am Mary, Queen of Scots, and I have come for my throne.
This is my home, and you can't frighten me.
I don't want someone brave and gentle and strong. I want him. He'll be the greatest king that ever was, a golden lion, and I'll give him sons with beautiful blonde hair.
I lost the baby.
What will happen to him?
We've come to this.
As it please your grace, I ask mercy for my father.
No, in your heart you can't keep.
Sir Ilyn, bring me his head.
Babe, I have been a queen. I know how to keep my life. And I will.
You took me up on the walls and made me look at it.
I will, I promise.
I don't pray anymore. It's the only place I could go where people don't talk to me.
What do you gain?
Justice.
All he says is that I'm a stupid little girl with stupid dreams who never learns.
I am your queen.
Bolton murdered my brother. He betrayed my family.
Dyeing your hair doesn't change that. You're Sansa Stark, eldest surviving child of Ned and Catelyn Stark.
I would defy the devil himself if he tried to buy and sell my country.
Make me. I will starve myself. I will die before I have to go there.
Sometimes we don't have a choice.
Because today I am king. And I will punish those who defy me.
And sometimes we do.
Tell me to my face, Theon. Tell me that they weren't your brothers.
Bran and Rickon.
Betray our entire family for my beloved Joffrey.
I'm going to give you his head as well.
You're the devil!
Or maybe he'll give me yours.
Do not test my power, and do not tempt my fury.
I am the Queen of France, and you are my subject.
I'm only going to ask you this once. So we are both clear on what you've endured this night. Were you raped?
I was raped. Find the men who did this to me and kill them.
You're going to die tomorrow, Lord.
And let them burn with their sins.
No, my lord, I beg you not!
Sleep well.
Not even armed.
Kill them.
Now I've come to repay you.
I miss the girl you were.
Very well. She was easier to kill.
Francis? Please, Francis, don't leave me. Francis!
She's not the girl he grew up with. Not after what she's seen. Not after what they've done to her.
You've changed, little bird.
Without Littlefinger and Ramsay and the rest, I would have stayed a little bird all my life.